and here you can see it is free now, and you can click on enroll now. Click enroll, and here you can see you have successfully purchased your course. Hey everyone, welcome back to KM Webverse. This is Kashif Mahmood. Today I am going to show you how to get Udemy's paid courses for free and earn a certificate, all in a completely legal way. We all know that just having a college degree is not enough anymore. Many people say we need to learn new skills, but good courses often cost a lot of money. Plus family expenses are rising, so what we can do, don't worry, I have a solution. You can access these courses for free and even get a certificate, and it's all perfectly legal. So Udemy is one of the top websites that offer paid courses, and the course instructor on this Udemy platform, what they do is that when they launch a course or when they want to promote it, they often create coupon codes. Through that users can get the course for free, and the other users who don't have the coupon code, they only have the option to get the course for a price. So let's see how we can find the coupon codes, and I will tell you a complete solution. So you can go to this website diskudemy.com. I will provide the link for this in the description as well. So this website provide Udemy coupons, and they clean all expired coupons, so you don't need to worry. You will only see the active coupons. Through that you can get the paid courses for free. So here you can click on this search button, and here you will see this search bars. So if you want to grab a paid course of maybe Python, and you want to grab it for free, completely free, and once you complete that course you will be able to get the certificate as well. So here you can see 86 new coupons, and here you can see this course is for $164 and you can get it for $0, and you can just click on it, and here scroll down and click on take course. You can close the ad and just click on this link, course coupon, and click on it, and here you can see the coupon code is applied, and here you can see it is free now. In my region the price was $44 and I can get it for free. So before that, just make sure you have your account logged in. So if we just open this link, here you can see the coupon code is applied, and if we just open the normal link in the new tab, here you can see the price is $44.99. so that's how you can get the courses for free, and upon completion you will get the course certificate as well. So now let's go back, and here you can see it is free now, and you can click on enroll now. Click enroll, and here you can see you have successfully purchased your course. So I have a quick tip for you. If you are getting courses for free, don't sign up for too many at once. Pick one course, complete it, and then move forward to the next. It's better to finish one course well than to start many and not finish any. So the main thing is that you learn a skill at the end. So make sure you complete a course and then you move forward to the next one. If you have liked this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to KM Webverse and share it with your friends. Let me know if you have any question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.